So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know I didn't talk too much. Tried to give you some content for drag racing. I'm getting a little bit more consistent. I still got to learn the car. Drag racing in a manual is just different. I still have a stock, well, it's kind of a stock clutch. It's an LS7 clutch. It's a Corvette stock clutch from an LS7. And, oh, what gear am I in? Let's try that one. Let's try that one. There we go. I got it figured out a little bit more. I got to leave around 3,000 RPMs. The car's stock, so it can take a lot, but the tires are too good. Honestly, if I leave too hard, the clutch will spin and the tires won't. I've done that once, and I really don't want to do it again because that's going to destroy the clutch real fast. But soon there'll be an upgraded clutch. Not really soon. It's going to take forever. I plan on getting an upgraded clutch so I can leave a lot harder. Then I just hope I don't break the drivetrain. I'm going to be getting some new heads, some PRC heads, ASCAS 243, 799, I already have them. I'm shooting for a lot of power. I mean, it's not a lot, but a lot for a stock car. So if you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe. There's going to be a lot of good videos coming. They're going to be spaced out, so I'm sorry. It is what it is. But please subscribe and comment, let me know what you think, and share the video if you really like it that much. I do appreciate it, and give me a thumbs up. And until next time, guys, stay positive.